In this video, we will learn how to multiply very easily or within second. Suppose I am giving you 99 into 97, 99 into 97. What is the value if we multiply these two numbers? So the value is 9603. Look, I did it just only 1 second. But how I did it? What is the technique? The technique is I'm first writing 99 and then 97. These two numbers are near to 100. So 99 less by 100 by uh, minus 0.1 and 97 less by 100 by minus 0.3. Now we multiply 3 into 3 ones are 3, 0 into 0, that is 0. 3 ones are 3, 0, 0 into 0, 0. Now we do cross multiplication. Not cross multiplication, cross subtraction. So 99 subtract minus 3 or 97 subtract minus 1. In both cases, we will get 96. So the answer is 9603. I'm taking another one, 98 into 97, 98 into 97. So you do the same way. This both number are near to 100. So 98 is less 100 by 0.2 and it is minus 0.3. So now we do multiplication. So it is 0.6. Now cross subtraction means it is 95.